Welcome back. Today I'll show you some Lightroom selection tricks that you can easily apply yourself right away. Let's start with the most used mask, Select Subject. We see that the selection is not perfect, especially between the wings. We could paint these parts with a brush, but that's very time-consuming. So let's look for a better and faster way to do it. The simple and effective trick to apply is Subtract, Select Sky. Look at the difference. Isn't it amazing? Set the overlay to white on black for an even better view of the selection. Do you think there's a better and faster way to do this? I do. Let's move on to the better and faster method. Here we create a new mask. We use Select Objects. Before we continue, let's select the correct mode. Here, we'll choose Rectangle Select. Draw a selection around your subject. Look at this stunning result. Another selection without edges. I told you this would be fast and better. Will this be your new favorite selection method? It is mine for sure. Let's do a quick comparison between method 1 and 2. My approach is 100% number 2. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and follow.